Hi everybody, I am Prateek Dua from Prateek Dua Photography. I hope you guys are fine and are taking all the necessary precautions and getting yourself vaccinated. If you're wondering, there's a change in my background. Right now, I am in a beautiful hill station, Shimla. Come, have a peek from my balcony.
This is the view I wake up to every day in Shimla.
My previous video was for a couple who were planning for their pre-wedding shoot, in which I told them how to prepare for their pre-wedding shoot, what all things they need to keep in mind before the pre-wedding shoot and how to go about it. Now today, through my vast experience, I will be telling the couples how to prepare for the wedding day shoot and what all things they need to keep in mind. Here are a few pointers that you need to keep in mind. Number one thing, give the right time to your photographers. Always provide your photographers the time that you have given to the guest. Most of the photographers reach 30 to 45 minutes prior to the time given to them. They have to cover the decor, they have to cover the venue, and also set up the camera equipment and lighting and all those things. When you give the wrong time to the photographers, not only are you wasting their time, but you're also killing their enthusiasm. You would always like your photographers to have good enthusiasm and should be more excited than you are for the shoot. Remember, a happy photographer would click happy pictures. Second thing which you need to remember is always give a heads up to the photographer in case of a surprise event. One should always provide your photographers if any surprise event is about to happen. Imagine the groom is about to start an dance without any prior announcement for the bride, and the photographers were not aware and were not even prepared for it. Or the bride is making an entrance with the friends and family in a dance form, and the photographers were not aware, or they were not at the right place at the right time with the right equipments. You don't want that. Always give your photographers a heads up before any surprise event, and please make sure to educate your family that if any event is supposed to happen, please do it slowly so that everything is captured. It is all about ensuring that the photographer is at the right place with the right equipment. Third thing, brides must take permission from the makeup artist if the photographers are coming to the studio for the makeup shoot. First of all, I would suggest the brides to ask the makeup artist to come to the venue so that they can avoid unnecessary traveling. Brides sometimes assume that the makeup artist won't have any problem if the photographer comes to the studio, but that's not true. Sometimes they could have some problem because there could be other brides who might feel uncomfortable, or there could be other ladies in the studio who might feel uncomfortable, or there could be some other reason also. So it is always better to take the permission, because it has happened with us that we have reached to the makeup artist and they have refused, that they won't allow any photographer to do the makeup shoot. So if you're a bride or a bride to be, always take permission from your makeup artist so that your beautiful movements are captured, and also to avoid the photographer time being wasted, his effort, and also the fuel. Another point which is very important is give time for your couple shoot. Okay, this comes with a bit of an anger. As long as your chacha, mama, taya, padosi, fufad are getting clicked on the stage, nobody in the room has any problem with it. But as soon as the couple starts to get the couple shoot done, everybody in the room starts to have a problem with it. Right from the caterer to your pandit ji to your own family members asking you to have food कि मुहूर्त का टाइम निकल रहा है. Please educate your family that couple pictures are very important to you and you have to get it done. These are the beautiful moments that need to be captured for your lifetime. So please get your couple shoot done and make this a priority thing. It has happened with us also. When the time came for the couple shoot, something or the other happened and we were not able to get the couple shoot done, and the couple were very sad, and we hoped we could have done something about it, but we couldn't. It was not in our hands. The family were not allowing it because of the limited time. So please educate your family to allow you for the couple shoot. Provide us with just 30 minutes of your time so that we can click beautiful moments of yours which would remain with you forever. Which brings me to the next point. Don't rush into things and tire yourself unnecessarily. Sometimes the bride and groom takes all the responsibility on themselves and they're managing and coordinating everything. Rather, what you should be doing is delegate this to your friends, your family, your cousins, so that you don't take all the stress on yourself, because stress comes on your face and no amount of Photoshop can do anything about it. So I would advise the couples to always reach the venue on time so that things go smoothly in a more orderly manner and you won't have any stress over yourself. And always remember, if something goes unplanned or unexpected, just roll with it because these things are most likely to happen. No matter how immaculately you plan, something or the other would not go as you had planned in your head. So don't take stress and just roll with it and go with the flow. Another point that needs to be kept in mind is color coordinated outfits of the bride and groom. If the bride and groom outfit are color coordinated, they look more synchronized and pleasing to the eyes. The color should not match perfectly, but if they are of the same family also, that would also look nice. It is bit of a western concept where the bridesmaid and groomsmen are wearing the same outfit. If the same can be applied at your wedding, won't the picture look nice? So you can set a dress code or a color theme for your wedding if possible. The pictures would look nicer. Saving the best for the last. Enjoy your day. It's your day, it's your wedding. Have fun. सारा खर्चा आप कर रहे हो और आप ही अगर enjoy ना करो तो फ़ायदा क्या है? When you're enjoying, the pictures will come out beautiful. So guys, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have not visited my website, it's www.pratikduaphotography.com. Share this video with your friends and family who plan to get married so that they get this important information for their wedding day. Thank you so much for watching.